Ready to ditch the lines and unlock a smoother, faster McDonald's experience? First, make sure you've downloaded the McDonald's app and signed in. It's your key to skipping the queue and snagging exclusive deals. Now, before you even approach the kiosk, browse the menu in the app and build your perfect order, customizing it exactly how you like it. Once you're happy with your selection, tap Mobile Order and proceed to the payment screen. This will generate a unique QR code for your order. Head over to the kiosk and look for the QR code scanner. It's usually located on the screen or just below it. Hold your phone up to the scanner, ensuring the QR code is clearly visible and properly aligned. The kiosk will automatically recognize your order. The kiosk will display your order summary. Double-check everything to ensure it's correct. This is also the perfect time to redeem any available rewards points or deals you have in the app. Simply select them on the kiosk screen before finalizing your payment. Choose your preferred payment method and follow the on-screen instructions to complete your purchase. Once your payment is processed, the kiosk will display your order number and instructions for pickup. Keep an eye on the order status screen or listen for your number to be called, then head to the designated mobile order pickup area to collect your delicious meal. Enjoy!